barber's ring. It is fairly easy and you can make it in less than 5 minutes. You'll need one C-clip, one S-clip, but I find C-clips are better for rings, a hook, and of course a loom, and definitely rubber bands. Make sure the arrows are facing away from you and the pegs are not in a straight line. The colors I'll be using for the inside for the star, I'm going to be using red and green for around the star. Here's how to make it. First we're going to make the outside, which mine is going to be green. So first put it from the middle peg left and the middle peg right. And then we're going to go forward and forward on the other side too. And then in here and in here. We're not using double bands for this. And now we're going to make the star, which is going to be red for me. So it uses 6 bands for the star. So we're going to go from the middle here of the star here to down diagonally to the right. And then down completely. And then diagonally to the left on the bottom. Diagonally to the left, to the top, right up, and diagonally to the right at the top. It should look like this so far. And now we're going to use the color that we used at the outside. For me, it's going to be green. And you put it in the middle. And you grab another green band, twist it once, and put it at the end. These are going to be our cap bands. Now we're going to turn the loom around. So, first we're going to go in the green cap band and get the red band, which is right underneath it. Do not get the bottom bands or else they will go to the wrong place. And it'll go get all muddled up and it won't work. And now here's the trickier part, because you need to get in the green cap band and grab the band that is here and go down to the left. And now the bands that is right on top of it again, and then to go there, and then forward. And then now we're going to get the green band here and collect the green band that is right under it and go to the left and again to the right and then straight forward and then straight forward on the other side. And then we're going to go in here and go diagonally to the left, and here diagonally, before diagonally to the right. And now I'm going to use the color of my star, which is red, and I'm going to pop my hook through all the bands here. Grab one red band and put it on the hook and pull it through. Pull it through all of the bands and then place the other side on the hook. And now we're going to take it off. It's very short. and give it a little bit of a stretch. And it looks like this. It's like a little starburst. And now it should definitely be too short for you. I'm going to do 4, or you can do 3 extension. So you go down 4 times. Oops. And now we're going to put the band here. And now we're going to go in here and treat it as a cat band. I'm going to keep on going forward. So you're getting the bottom band all the time. Now we're going to get the C-clip or S-clip we got before. And we're going to put it on this. And now we're going to carefully take it off. And it should look like this, like a little chain. If you're going to make a ring, you get the cat band, put it on your 2 fingers and stretch it. And you put the cat band in. And there you go. You've got your spectacular starburst ring.